I've been trying to find you.
How are ya?
I love this thing.
Yeah.
This is badass.
Yeah, it's up your alley.
It is.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this isn't gonna be fast.
Yeah.
And then the car just disappears on the top end. So what year is this?
It's a 97.
97 VSU. All right, and this is a work truck.
We
car?
call utes in
Just a
Australia.
ute. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Well, I call this one a sleeper. That's for sure.
That's for sure.
That's badass. So the LS3?
LS2.
LS2.
Yeah. So it's just the standard engine, the standard bottom end.
Yeah.
There's no work done to the engine.
How big is the turbo on it?
It's a T7.
270.
Yeah.
What kind of transmission's in here?
A 4-speed auto, so 4L60E in
Okay.
Australia.
Yeah, pretty popular.
Yeah. Ball Warner diff, standard just LSD. So
How much is that right now?
it's making 420 kilowatts at the rear wheels on 11 pounds boost.
11 pounds?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I love the car.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing it out here.
No worries.
And it's gone. How much do these weigh?
Oh, probably now it's probably about 1450, I reckon.
Oh, 33, 50 pounds.
So it's a Corvette basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your Commodore UTE is basically a Corvette. I'm fucking done. You use
It's got
Corvettes
an
to carry
LS2
bricks.
in it.
Oh fuck, who cares?
It weighs the same weight.
It's basically a Corvette. I think we've just worked out.
It's a Corvette work
the main
truck.
man at 1320 video doesn't know fucking anything about cars. This is basically a Corvette.
It's got two doors.
It's got two doors. It's LS powered.
Say
It
what?
makes about 600 horsepower. It's
It's
basically a Corvette.
It's a ZR1, right?
I'm wearing Nikes. I'm basically Usain Bolt. Fucking hell, it's a Corvette. It's a Corvette.